Hey guys, how's it going? Daniel here. So ever since earlier this year, Apple at WWDC showed off iOS 13, and one new big feature, of course, for gamers was the support for the DualShock PS4 controller and the Xbox One S and the newer Xbox One controller support to the iOS 13 ecosystem. So that means you'll be able to play, of course. Some iOS games controls that support control support. And so I was very excited when Apple announced that because, of course, I'm a Xbox One owner. And so that meant I could use my controller to play some iPhone games on the iPhone. And that's what I have been doing lately. I've been playing a ton of Fortnite on the iPhone 11. Now, I know to many of you guys who are pro players and love playing Fortnite, of course, playing on the iPhone 11 is not like the preferred way to play. You, of course, a better version is to play on the computer or on a console like the Xbox or the PlayStation. But I want to try it out and see if I can actually play Fortnite on the iPhone. And so I got a few gears and my setup and everything, and that I want to share with you guys some of the gear that I use to play Fortnite on the iPhone 11. So first off, of course, is the phone. The iPhone 11 is the newest iPhone that Apple released this year. I did not go for the Pro just because the only two big differences between the iPhone 11 and the iPhone 11 Pro was the screen, of course, a better screen, and a third camera, and of course the price tag as well, which is something that turned me off. I did not want to spend. I think it was going to be like almost 1,600 Canadian, 1,500 Canadian. So I did not want to spend that much, and so I only decided to go with the iPhone 11, and purchase that one and trade in my older iPhone 10s from last year's. So the iPhone 11 is a great phone with the new chip that Apple included with the iPhone 11, which has the same spec like the iPhone 11 Pro. It runs smoothly Fortnite. There's no lag or anything like that I have noticed while playing Fortnite on the iPhone 11. And the screen is decent enough that I really enjoy playing on it in daylight or at night. So yeah, it's just a fantastic phone to use if you want to play some games. Because trust me, you will not have no lag problems with any type of game that you play on the iPhone 11, and that's including Fortnite. Now, of course, the controller I'm currently using is the default Xbox One S controller that comes with the Xbox One S. And it's a great controller. I'm a big Xbox fan. I love the Xbox controllers. I've had PlayStation 3 controller, and it's just something that I've not gotten used to. And somebody who likes playing first-person shooter games like Call of Duty, the latest one, and all that stuff, it's a controller that I currently don't really like for first person shooters. I feel like my thumb will slip off and everything, and it's just not comfortable for me. But of course, it's a great controller as well, the PlayStation 3 controller. But the Xbox One S controller is just awesome. It feels great. It feels right at home on my hands. And so, yeah, it's the controller I use to play Fortnite on the iPhone and other great games as well. Now, the case. I actually use a case to play on the iPhone 11 Fortnite, and that is the Razer Arc-Tech. So the Razer Arc-Tech is just an awesome, awesome case, and Razer claims it's supposed to help not heat up your phone while you're playing intensive gaming on your iPhone, and save battery life as well. So I've tested it out. I haven't really seen a big difference, but if Razer says all that stuff, well, I guess we gotta take their word for it. But yeah, it's a great case that does, I guess, help with the heating problems to help it not heat up too much, and that of course saves battery life by keeping it nice and cool. Your iPhone. And so yeah, it's just an awesome case that looks really great. I got the black green one, of course, the default Razer colors. They do sell the white one and a pink one. But yeah, it's just an awesome case that looks great. And if you're looking for a gaming case for your iPhone, I highly recommend you go for the Razer Arc-Tech as well. Now, one of my favorite little things that I found on Amazon to complete this setup, I mean, is something called the LYM2. I am pronouncing it right. Of course, everything that I talk about will be in the description below, so you guys go check it out, the real version, the name of it. So this little thing, of course, is a little contraption that connects to your Xbox controller, and it acts as an iPhone holder as well. So you can actually be having your controller and your iPhone together by just holding your Xbox controller or your PlayStation controller, and you can start playing Fortnite or any other game as well, without you having to maybe put your phone on a table and make it, or put it on a little stand, because you'll be able to just by holding your Xbox controller with the holder already holding the iPhone already. You could just walk around with it and just play and take your Xbox and your Xbox controller and your iPhone together without having to worry about where you're going to place your iPhone to get that perfect viewing angle of playing. And of course, a little cool little feature that comes with that little stand, I guess, iPhone holder stand with the Xbox, is a clip. A little clip that you could let it rest. So whenever you want to take a break or anything, you could just lay it on the table, and you could take out the stand, and it will just hold your iPhone 11 and the Xbox controller in place for you until you get back. So yeah, that's pretty much it for my setup of me playing Fortnite or any other iOS 13 games. Of course, the iOS 13 supports only the DualShock and the Xbox, and of course Apple's own made for iPhone controllers program that they have there. But yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. I've been playing a lot of Fortnite with that setup. It works out really well. And it's just an awesome way to play Fortnite, and it's just cool how Apple was able to do this, finally give support to the PlayStation controllers and the Xbox controller. Of course, that big move was, of course, since Apple was releasing Apple Arcade and has released Apple Arcade, and so they need a better controllers to support these type of games that they are releasing on Apple Arcade as well. So that's it for now, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Everything that I talked about will be in the description below, so you can go check them out later. And if you guys really enjoyed this video, please do like the video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you guys want to keep up with more cool technology stuff from iPhone and Android. So that's it for now, guys, and I will see you guys later. Peace.